Okay, so we now come to method 2. Now method 2 says that we multiply the times for the 10-kilometer race by 5, and it's as simple as that. So Jane ran 47 minutes, so we're going to write 47 times 5. Ravinder 56 minutes, so 56 multiplied by 5. Sula 51 minutes, and again we multiply by 5, and so on. So we have 45 times 5, and you can probably see that Emma is going to have a lower time than everybody else, but we still have to go through the motions. So 47 times 5, 47 times 5 gives us 235. And then we have 56 times 5 gives us 280. 51 times 5 gives us 255, and 45 times 5 gives us 225. Now these are all minutes, of course, so we just write in minutes. Now, as I said, I tend to change everything to hours and minutes because that's how we worked up here. I know that 4 hours is 240 minutes, so this is 5 minutes short, so this will be 1 hour and 55 minutes. Now this is more than 240. Oh, sorry, that's 300. 300. It's 3 hours and 55 minutes. Now here 4 hours would be 240, so this would be 4 hours and 40 minutes. So she would be out of the rain anyway because you have to have a time more than 4 hours. Here again 460 is 240, so we have 4 hours and 15 minutes, and here this is less than 240. We know 3 hours is 180, so this will give us 3 hours and 45 minutes. So we can put here method 2, Emma would be best runner to enter. So we've shown it with method 1 and method 2. Now this is an 8-mark question and there is quite a lot of work to be done here. So I can understand why people get quite daunted by this type of question, but as you can see, if you work methodically most of it's repetition, and it's pretty basic arithmetic, okay, but it is doable. You can do this, but you need practice. Okay, if you've done it, then that's fine, well done, that's excellent. But if you need a bit of practice, then we'll give you some worksheets and we'll work through this. Okay, so here it says we have to check. So again, I would take one of these calculations, and then this would be just a reverse operation. So Jane, now she is 235 minutes. So if I divide her time by 5, this should give us our fastest time. Okay, so if I was to do this on a calculator, 235 divided by 5 would give me 47 minutes, which equals her fastest time. Okay, and then maybe just once more, so maybe Ravinda, we had 280 minutes. So if we divide this by 5, we get 56 minutes, which equals her fastest time. Okay, and the examiners are very happy with that. You've shown that you can work these calculations in reverse and get back to an additional piece of information. So as I said, this is quite time consuming. For 8 marks it's definitely worth it, and it's always a question of showing everything you're doing as methodically as possible. Okay, so thanks for sticking with it all the way through. If there's anything you don't understand or you get stuck on, ask a tutor or go back to the relevant video and then just re-watch it